Okay, good afternoon, student. Welcome to virtual TMC virtual classroom. Now, in today's class, I am going to start with the problem set. Now, here in the problem set, I will solve the question number 5, which is related to prove that question. From last 3 to 4 lecture, we are already doing the prove that question. So, what I thought, I will start with the same related question because the prove that questions are very important. So, now here in today's class, we are going to start with the question number 5. Here in the question number 5, this is the first question. See the first question, sec theta bracket 1 minus sine theta, second bracket sec theta plus tan theta bracket close, that is equal to 1. So here this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Now here we have to prove that this is equal to 1. So let's begin with the question. Here in the question we'll write down solution. LHS is equal to sec theta 1 minus sine theta, second bracket sec theta plus tan theta. This is our left hand side. Let's start the question. Now here in the right hand side we are supposed to find out 1. To solve this question, in the previous lecture I have already told, whenever we are having such kind of question, we are supposed to try to convert each and every term in terms of sine and cos. We are supposed to try to convert each and every term in terms of sine and cos. So let us convert everything in the terms of sine and cos. This is sec theta. Now sec theta will be changed into cos theta. This is 1 upon cos theta. Bracket 1 minus sine theta. Here sec theta we will change in terms of cos. This is cos theta plus tan theta can be converted into the sine theta upon cos theta. Now see what we will do in the next step. We will multiply this one with this as well as this. So let us see. So 1 into this is always the same number, that is 1 upon cos theta. Now we will multiply this one with this. So here sine theta will get multiplied with 1 and now this sine will remain as it is. Here sine theta upon cos theta. Sine theta will get multiplied with 1. So 1 upon cos theta. This is 1 upon cos theta. Let me write down inside a bracket. Now here this I will write down as it is. 1 upon cos theta plus sine theta upon cos theta. Now in the next step, see this bracket. Now here the first term, this one and this one, both are same. Second term is same. Middle sign is different. So here this is somewhat like what? A plus B and A minus B. A plus B. This is something like A plus B. And this is A minus B. This can be written as A square minus B square. This is one of the identity which we have already learned in our 8th standard. So same identity I am going to use here. Now see, this is our A. So what I am going to write down here, 1 upon cos theta the whole square minus B the whole square. B means second term. That is sine theta upon cos theta the whole square. Now the next step is, we'll take, now here this square belongs to 1 as well as for cos theta. So 1 square is 1 only. Cos square. So cos theta square means what? Cos square theta minus. Now this square belongs for both numerator and denominator. Here this square will come here. So this is going to be sine square theta upon. This is going to be cos square theta. Now the next step is, what we will do in the next step? Now see, both the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. So what I am going to do, I will write down 1 minus sine square theta upon cos square theta. Now remember student, whenever the denominators are same, so we can add or subtract the numerator directly. No need to do the cross multiply. Here denominators are same, that's why I am going to subtract both numerator. So 1 minus sine square theta. Here this is the term. Now the last step is, now the next step is 1 minus sine square theta. This is somewhat related to our one of the identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us see. Here instead of this I am going to write down cos square theta upon, this is going to be cos square theta. But here I will write down the reason. The reason is since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what happened here? I will take this one to this side. So in the next step, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So here instead of 1 minus sine square theta, I have written cos square theta. Now cos square theta upon cos square theta, they will get cancelled. So what happened here in the next step? Here this is going to be cancelled. Ones are. And finally we will left with, here I can write down the next last step, that is equal to 1. And finally this is going to be our right hand side, and here I will write down hence proved. Yes student, now here I have completed the question number 1. So in the question number 1, first I have converted each and every term in terms of sine and cos. After converting in terms of sine and cos, then I have seen the two brackets are having same number with a different sign. So I have used identity. So in the identity I have used the formula first term square minus second term square. Finally I have make the square here, and after making the square here, I have just seen that now both the denominators are same, so I have subtracted the numerator. After subtracting, I have used the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here instead of this I have written cos square theta. Now both will get cancelled. Finally the answer is 1. Now here we have completed the question number first, the main question 5. Now I am going to start with the question number 2. Now in the question number 2, see the question. Sec theta plus tan theta, second bracket, 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Question number 2 is sec theta plus tan theta, second bracket is 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to what? Cos theta. Let us check the question. Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta, second bracket 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to cos theta. Yes, question is correct. Now let's start with the proof. Now here in the proof part, first I will write down the solution. Here, LHS. Let me write on the left hand side. Sec theta plus tan theta, second bracket 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to, now here sec theta and tan theta. Now here once again I am going to convert this one in terms of sine and cos. So let us convert. So here this is going to be 1 upon cos theta, and this is sin theta upon cos theta. 1 minus sin theta. This one will remain as it is because this is already in terms of sine and cos. So next step is, now here both the denominators are same. So I will add the numerator. So what happened here in the bracket? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now here this is 1 minus sin theta. This one as it is. I am just going to write down this one as it is. Now see, here we have two brackets and they have multiplication relation. So what happened with this? This is going to multiply with the numerator. So let me write down one more step. Now here in the numerator 1 plus sine theta, and here 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, this is the identity a plus b, a minus b. In the previous question I have told about this formula. Now here this is somewhat like a plus b. So what I will do here, the a plus b and a minus b can be written 1 square, that is 1 minus sine square theta will become sine square theta upon cos theta. Sorry. Yeah, this is going to be cos theta. Now the next step, 1 minus sine square theta. I have just told the formula about this. So this is one of the identity, first identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what I will write down here cos square theta upon cos theta. Now see, here the cos square theta is 2 times and cos theta is 1 time. So what happen here? Here I will cancel the cos square theta and this cos square. 2 times are the 1 time will get cancelled, and finally here I have left with 1 time, that is equal to cos theta, and finally here I can write down this is going to be our RHS, and finally here we have to write down hence proved. Now the question number 2 is completed. This and the previous one, that is first one, both are the related one and both I have solved in the same pattern. So that's why this is also one of the easiest question. We're going to be asked for 2 marks. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Now the question number 3 is also going to be asked for 2 marks. Let us see the question number 3 here. Third question is sec square theta plus cosec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Okay. Now here in the beginning of the question, see, terms are same, sec square theta, sec square theta. Here we have cosec square theta, cosec square. Only different is what? Sign. Here we have plus sign and here we are having minus sign. So what we are supposed to do so that this plus will get converted into the multiplication. Now the process is very simple. Let me start with the question. Left hand side, that is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta, that is equal. Now convert each and every terms in terms of sine and cos. So this is going to be 1 upon cos square theta plus this is 1 upon sine square theta. So what happened in the next step? We have to do the cross multiplication. Why cross multiplication? Reason, here both the denominators are different. Once the denominators are same, so we can directly add or subtract. But if the denominators are different, we have to do the cross multiplication. Now sine square into 1, so what happened? Sine square theta plus cos square into 1, cos square theta upon this into this, cos square theta dot sine square theta. Here the dot means what? Multiplication. That is equal to, now sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is one of the identity. So what I am going to write down now? Here I am going to write down 1 upon, this is cos square theta dot sine square theta. Give the reason, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why I have written 1 here. Now see, to understand this one, suppose we have A upon BC. Between B and C we have multiplication. So same thing can be written, sorry, not A upon, 1 upon, 1 upon. So here this one can be written as 1 upon B into 1 upon C. 1 1 जा 1 हो जाएगा and B into C, BC. This is a very basic thing. So that's why I have explained 1 upon this 2. These are the two things. So here I am going to write down 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. 1 upon cos square theta. Now I will convert this one into in terms of sec. So this is going to be sec square theta into, or I am going to put the multiplication. Multiply here, this is going to be cosec square theta. 1 upon sin square theta can be converted to 1 upon the cosec square theta. And finally this is our what? Right hand side. So here this is going to be RHS, left hand side. And here I will write down hence proved. So the question is proved. Now first what I did, I have converted this one in terms of sin and cos. Then I have did the cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, now this is I got here one of the identity. Now this identity is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of this I have substituted 1. So 1 upon this. So here I have used this property 1 upon BC, means 1 upon B into 1 upon C. I can write down like this. The same property I have used here. 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. अगर मैं इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं, I will get the same thing. Okay, now reverse I have used the formula 1 upon cos square theta. देखो sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos square theta can be written as sec square theta. 1 upon cos square theta I have written as 1 upon sec square theta. Dot means multiplication. 1 upon sin square theta can be converted into cos square theta, and finally this is our right hand side. Okay student, here I have forgot to write down the identity. So it is very important to write down. Without identity 100% you are going to lose your half mark. So it is very important. So here I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I will take this one to the side. What happened here? Therefore cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Here I have completed the question number 2 and question number 3. So please copy the question. Let us start with the next one. Now the question number 4 is going to be asked for. Question number 4 is very easy and simple, but this is going to be asked for 3 marks. So let me write the question. Okay students, let us see the question number 4. Question number 4 is cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus x square theta. Cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Now this is our question number 4. This question will ask for 3 marks or maybe for 2 marks also. Okay, now here in the beginning of the question, first I will start with the left hand side. The left hand side is cot square theta minus tan square theta. This is our left hand side, and we are supposed to find out cosec square theta and sec square theta. Now as we all know, okay, with this cot square theta we have one identity, And related to tan square theta, once again we have one identity. So identity is, just pay attention here, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosec square theta. Now if I transfer this one to this side, what happen here? Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is one of the identity. Similarly, we have one more identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now if I'll take this one to this side, what happen here? I will left with tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So here, with the help of this identity, we can solve or we can prove our question. Now see, instead of cot theta, instead of cot theta, what I am going to write down? Cosec square theta minus 1. So let me write down cosec square theta minus 1, bracket close. Here instead of this I have written minus, middle sign. Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1. Minus 1. Now I will open the bracket. So here, after opening the bracket, remember student one thing, whenever we are having a bracket and in front of bracket we are having minus sign. So what a minus sign will do? Minus sign will change the inner sign. Here we are having plus. So this will become minus. Here we have minus and this will become what? Plus. But here in front of this bracket we don't have a minus sign. Okay, here we have plus sign. So whenever we are having plus sign, it will come as it is. Now see, we'll copy as it is. Cosec square theta minus 1 minus sec square theta. Now see this sign, this was the plus. Now this has become minus. Now here this is minus, this will become plus. Okay, now after opening the bracket, now see the step carefully. Here we have minus 1 and here we have plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Both are the same number with opposite sign, so they will get cancelled. After cancelling, what happened here? In the next step, we will left with this one. Cosec square theta minus sec square theta. And finally, this is our right hand side. So I will write down RHS, that is equal to, so here I will write down hence proved. Student, now pay attention. This one you are going to write down as a reason here. Here you are going to write down as a reason, but I am not going to write down here, but in your board exam you are supposed to write down here in front of this. You can use 2 or 3 lines, then you have to start the next step. Now here I have completed the question number 4. Let's begin with the question number 5. Question number 5. Now the question number 5 is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Okay, let me write down question first. Tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Sec square theta. Here these are the this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. Now see, here we are having tan and here we are supposed to find out sec. Powers are same, 4, 4, 2, 2. So let's start with the question. LHS, left hand side, tan square theta plus, so not square, it is 4. Then here tan square theta, that is equal. Now see, in both I can take, now see, if I say x power 4 plus x square, so here in both the terms x is common. So how many times x will become common? Minimum 2 times. So x square, that is equal to, here I will left with x power 2 plus 1. So what happened here? Now see, once if I multiply this 2, I will get this, and if I am going to multiply this 2, I will get this. It means So this and this both are the same thing. Only the method is the way of writing is different. So what I'm going to do here, I will take common here. Tan square theta. I have taken common. So I will left with here tan square theta plus 1. Next step. Now tan square theta. Now here tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. This will become what? Sec square theta. Identity. And here this one, now see, let me write down the identity first. Here I have already written, just pay attention. Let me rub this one. Okay, pay attention. See, tan square theta के जगह पे I can write down sec square theta minus 1. Here I will write down this one. And 1 plus tan square theta. Now see the bracket. 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. The same formula I will use here. So here I am going to write down sec square theta minus 1. I will write down inside the bracket. And now this is going to be what? Sec square theta. Identity. And finally, here I am going to write down. Now see, I will multiply this into this. Sec square theta into sec square theta will become what? Sec power 4 theta. Minus this into this. What happened? Sec square theta. And finally, this is our proof. See, here I have got the right hand side. And here I will write on hence proof. Now the question is completed. Till now we have completed question number 5. Now let us see the next question. Let me rub the board. Please copy the question. Yes, student, let us see the next question. Now the question number 6 is one of the very important question. This question will ask for 4 marks or 3 marks too. Maybe a little bit lengthy question. Let us start with the question number 6. 1 upon 1 minus sine theta. Question number 6. 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 minus, 1 plus sine theta, that is equal to 2 sec square theta. Sec square theta. Okay. This is our left hand side and we are supposed to find out 2 sec square theta as a right hand side. So let's begin with the question. Here I will write down LHS. That is equal to 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. I have written the left hand side. Now let us begin. Now see the left hand side. In the left hand side, see the denominator. You will see the denominators. Is it same? No. Reason, middle sign is different. अगर यहाँ पे भी plus होता, so both will become same. और यहाँ पे minus होता, it means both will become same. But here in the question, both the denominators are different. Once the denominators are different, what we are going to do? We will cross multiply. So here in the next step, this 1 into this, 1 into anything is always the same thing. ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So I will write down inside the bracket 1 plus sine theta. So no need to put bracket, let it be as it is, plus sine. Now this one, 1 minus sine theta upon this into this, 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta. Now the first step is over. I have done the cross multiplication. And the next step, see the next step carefully. In the next step, here sine theta is positive and sine theta is negative. So here both will get cancelled because positive, negative. If the terms are same and having different sign, they will always get cancelled. So after cancelling these two, so here we have left with 1 and 1. Both are positive. So 1 plus 1 is 2. In the next step is 2 upon. Now see these two brackets. Now these two brackets are identity. In the first question I have told the identity a plus b and a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Same property I will use here. 1 cos square, that is equal to 1 minus sine cos square. So what? Sine square theta. So after writing this identity, now see 1 minus sine square theta, ये third time आ रहा है. First question में भी था, second question में भी था. Now I think this is occurring third time. So what I am going to do, I will write down a formula instead of this, that is 2 upon, here this is going to be cos square theta. And the formula is, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. ये यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now the next step is, now see, this one can be written, ये 2 को मैं यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ, 2 bracket 1 upon cos square theta. I can write down directly, instead of writing this step I can write down directly, but maybe sometime what happened, while understanding this will become difficult, that's why I'm just simplifying the step. Now here the 2 into 1 करेंगे, the same step we will get. So here 1 upon cos square theta is what? 2 as it is. 1 upon cos square theta is nothing but what? Sec square theta. And finally this is our right hand side. This is our right hand side. Here this is RH, and hence proved. Here we have completed the question number 6. Now let us see the next question. This is one of the very IMP question. Let us see the next question. Question number 7 is really one of the most important question. Will 100% going to ask for, will 100% going to be asked for 4 marks. Let us see the question number 6. Here for the question number 6 I need the space, that's why I'm going to rub this question. So please student copy this question or take the screenshot. Okay, let's begin with the next question, question number 7, which is very IMP. See the question. Sec power 6x minus tan power 6x, that is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x dot tan square x dot means multiplication. Here in the textbook it is given multiplication, but for our side we can use the dot also. So both are valid. Okay, let's start with the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sec power 6 x minus tan power 6 x. This is our left hand side, and we are supposed to find out 1 plus 3 sec square x into tan square x. Let's begin. This one can be written as sec power 2x the whole cube. Once this two will get multiplied, we will get the same step, minus tan square x the whole cube. Now see, here I am going to use a formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is one of the identity which we have already studied in our 8th standard. Now see, what is the relation between these two? Subtraction. So what I am going to do, I will use two brackets, a smaller bracket and a bigger bracket. In the smaller bracket, I will write down these two identity with the given sign. So now in the next bracket, I will write down a square plus whatever the sign we have here, इसका opposite यहाँ पे use करने का. If we are having minus, we will use plus. इसके ऊपर भी एक formula a cube plus b cube can be written as, I'm telling both the formula. Here between both a and b, we are having plus sign, the a plus b. I will write down a square. Now see, just now I told whatever the sign we have here, उसका opposite यहाँ पे use करने का. यहाँ पे plus है तो इसका opposite क्या होगा? Minus. यहाँ पे माइनस था तो here I have used plus. Now a into b दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन, यहाँ पे a b, यहाँ पे भी a b, मतलब इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन. Then last sign is always plus. Last sign always plus, then b square and b square. Formula is completed. Now see, here this is a and this is b. We are having minus sign. A and b we are having minus sign. इसका भी whole cube, इसका भी यहाँ पे देखो cube दिया है. Now I will use this property. So first, now in the next step, I will try to use the square bracket. Now see, sec square theta minus tan square theta. ये दोनों as it is लिखेंगे. Sec square x minus tan square x bracket close. Another square bracket. In the next square bracket, now see, यहाँ पे a का स्क्वायर है. व्हाट इज आवर a? दिस इज आवर a. इसका ही स्क्वायर यहाँ पे होगा. तो sec स्क्वायर x द होल स्क्वायर प्लस यहाँ पे माइनस था तो यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा. a इंटू b मतलब क्या? इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन. व्हाट हैपन हियर? sec स्क्वायर x इंटू tan स्क्वायर x. देन b का स्क्वायर मतलब लास्ट टर्म tan स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर प्लस tan square x the whole square bracket close. So here we have completed one of the most important step. Okay, now let us see the next part of the question. Sec square minus tan square. Now see, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. इसको मैं यहाँ पे लेके जाऊँ तो 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is nothing but what? 1. So here instead of I am going to write down 1. Bracket close. This one as it is. Okay. So here sec square x the whole square plus sec square x tan square x plus same thing, this one as it is, no need to square, bracket close. But here we will write down reason. What reason we are going to write down? This one, since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, so here I will transfer this one, therefore 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, bracket close. Okay, now see, after putting the reason, after writing the reason, what we will do in the next step? Here 1 into this means so here 1 will disappear. So in the next step, what I am going to now see here, this one I am going to write down as it is, sec square x the whole square. Okay, if possible, then I will write down the complete step. If you are also possible, then you have to write down the complete line. I mean, you have to write down the in single line. If not possible, then you can write down here. But in your notebook, you are not able to write down the complete step in one line. So for the sake of convenience, अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा हूँ ध्यान से, ये जो स्टेप है ना, ये पूरा स्टेप मैं नीचे लिख रहा हूँ. प्लस sec square x into tan square x plus tan square x the whole square. अब यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसा स्पेस क्यों रखा? ध्यान से सुनो भी. अपने को लाना क्या है, व्हाट आई सपोज टू फाइंड आउट, आई सपोज टू फाइंड आउट दिस वन, जो लाना है ना वो मैं यहाँ पे करो प्लस 3 sec square x इंटू tan square x, अभी मैंने यहाँ पे इसको ऐड किया तो इसको मैं यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करूँ 3 sec square x इंटू tan square x। देखो मैंने दोनों बैलेंस करने के लिए मैंने क्या किया, इसको मैंने जो मैंने ऐड किया वही मैंने यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया ताकि दोनों कैंसिल होगा तो अभी भी इस पूरे टर्म में कोई फर्क पड़ा नहीं। अभी ऐसा करने का रीजन क्या था, अभी देखो मैं इस लाइन को भी यहाँ पे लिख सकता था लेकिन मैंने नहीं लिखा, रीजन क्योंकि तुम लोगों को भी बोर्ड एग्जाम में एक लाइन में सब एडजस्ट करना इज वेरी टफ। नाउ सी व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, मैं ये पार्ट कॉमन रखूंगा, बट अभी ये देखो sec स्क्वायर 3 sec स्क्वायर x tan स्क्वायर x एंड दिस इज 1 sec स्क्वायर x tan स्क्वायर, इन दोनों को मैं क्या करूंगा ऐड करूंगा, तो ऐड करूंगा तो क्या होगा ध्यान से देखो sec square x the whole square plus 3 sec square x dot tan square x। now see this and this both are यहाँ पे 1 टाइम है, ये 3 टाइम है, इसमें से 1 टाइम माइनस होगा, we'll get minus 2 sec square x into what tan square x, एंड फाइनली लास्ट वाला स्टेप क्या बचा अभी, ये पार्ट हम लोग का यहाँ पे आ जाएगा प्लस tan स्क्वायर x दी होल स्क्वायर। नाउ स्टूडेंट पे अटेंशन, अभी मैं क्या कर रहे हैं और ध्यान से देखो, मैं इसको देखो ये हमको तो सब में एज इट इज चाहिए, इसको मैं लास्ट में डाल देता हूँ। नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई विल राइट डाउन दिस वन एंड दिस होल टुगेदर एंड दिस आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डाउन द लास्ट, जस्ट एडजस्टमेंट कर रहा हूँ। लेट मी राइट डाउन फास्ट sec square x the whole square minus 2 sec square x dot tan square x plus tan square x the whole square plus this whole as it is plus 3 sec square x dot tan square x। इसको मैंने लास्ट में रखा बिकॉज आई नीड दिस वन एज इट इज, इसको कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं। नाउ सी दिस वन, this is something like a formula, first term the whole square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term the whole square। मैं फॉर्मूला बता रहा हूँ, अगर a माइनस b the whole square कहीं दिया है, इसको कैसे लिखते हैं, a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, तो ये फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर माइनस 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term into second term plus second term the whole square। Similarly here, first term the whole square minus 2 into first term, this is the first term into second term plus second term the whole square। मतलब ये पूरे फॉर्मूले को हम इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। So let me convert this one। So the next step is bracket sec square x, this one minus, middle sign is minus, then tan square x the whole square plus 3, this one as it is, last one sec square x into tan square x, and finally see this one here, यहाँ पे हम लोग ने sec square x minus tan square x, इसके जगह पे हम लोग ने 1 लिया था, ये मैंने वहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक यहाँ पे 1 लिया, सेम स्टेप यहाँ पे आ गए, तो वापस रीजन नहीं देंगे तो भी चलेगा। Here I am going to write down 1 plus 3 sec square x into tan square x, and here this is our right hand side, this is our right hand side, and hence here I will write down hence proved। Now the question number 7, which was one of the most IMP question, I have completed. Now here in today's lecture we have done till the question number 7. In the next lecture I will complete the question number 8, 9, 10 and question number 2, 3, 4. So now this is I require one more lecture. After that we will finish with our topic trigonometry. Thank you student, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.